Hello everyone, good day to all my friends, subscribers and viewers. So now we are here at Sitio Cabayo, Barangay Baang, Katigbian, Bohol. So we have a property for sale which is 22,500 square meters or 2.2 hectares. Tax declaration, dili pa siya titulado, at 100 pesos per square meter. So tagsagatos, negotiable. So mahangyo pa. There are so many coconut trees, fruit trees, which is marang, or there are marang, no? Marang already planted by the owner. Then irag-irag tagamay direte kay init kay diha. Then here with me is the caretaker. The property is like that, no? So then downhill. So like the situation of the property is from going uphill, but it is around more or less from the barangay road is around more or less 200 meters away. Then it has already a road right of way. Actually guys, the owner is not around. They are living in Canada. So basin kadtong taga Canada guys, pwede ra namo if you are from Canada, I can let you face to face with the owner. So you can go directly with the owner if you are from Canada. So maybe you can negotiate with each other. Okay, if you have properties for sale, just let me know guys, kay I will help you sell your property. So actually guys, the property, as what I have observed, that the property is surrounded again by the trees, no? There are so many trees around. Then it has also so many trees like mahogany. There are also hardwood tree like we call in tugas. So there are so many, a lot of trees. Then the fruit trees, kaimito, which is the star apple. Then most probably the coconut trees, banana trees, and there are several guys kanang papaya. So a lot of fruits in this location. The neighborhood, there are neighborhood also here, but a little bit distance, more or less 100 meters away, or I think there is somewhere another neighborhood there. So from Tagbilaran City, which is around 1 hour or less than an hour from Tagbilaran City. This is the good thing of this property guys, because it is less than an hour or 1 hour drive from Tagbilaran City. The concrete road is more or less around from the main road, which is around 2 kilometers. Then the rough road is more or less let's say 500 meters ang rough road guys. So that's a good location, no? Then transportation, there is also bus around 2 kilometers away from here. But if you walk to the main provincial road, there are so many buses, no? Then regarding to the road right of way, it has been already prepared by the owner, but all we have to do is to have or hire a backhoe or heavy equipment to pave the road. So I think I have explained almost everything guys, no? Because really the property is good. If you do not want to be disturbed by the marites or the people around, what I mean the marites guys, no? Those who are just gossip around, no? Making a gossip what you have done in your kuan, this is the best location. So mga libak-libak diri guys, wala na gyud dinhi kay kamura man dinhi. This is good if you have a family of, for example, 5 or 2 families to you can do many things here guys, because it has already water, electricity, and so many, no? So from Panglao International Airport is like that, no? It's almost less than an hour. Okay? Murag na bayad na kung English, okay? Sige. Okay, for inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. Then I will upload more videos. Just enjoy guys. Please subscribe, share. Okay, thank you and God bless to all. This is the caretaker guys. Actually this property interior, no, interior. So maganda ito sa gustong walang marites. Walang dili gustong silingan. Yung ayaw gustong mabuhay na mag-isa. yung sila lang mag-asawa. The property is really good, no? It has so many improvements like coconut trees, jackfruit, then bamboos, banana trees. So we cannot count but there are so many. Tingnan muna natin. So actually the owner guys is somewhere in Canada, no? Canada. So they are, I think they bought this also as their investment. Then they are from Bohol but really a Filipino living from Bohol. Then now they are living in Canada. Then because of my blog they contacted me that their land also is for sale, located here in Barangay Baang, Katigbian, Bohol. So this is Sitio Kabayo, pero wala akong nakitang kabayo guys. Actually guys, very good ang property guys. Approximately 1 hour or less than an hour from Tagbilaran City and Panglao International Airport. So very nice, no? We have the caretaker guys, no? Caretaker. Ano siya guys, bitaw guys. Honestly, no? Maganda ang property natin. May maraming mga improvements. Kaso lang medyo napaloob nasa interior talaga siya. So unsay pangan ani te? O di mi kahoy. Prutas man ni. Ang kanang kalimot pos ngan ani oy moro man ni og ha?
Fig tree, kapamilya sa fig tree.
Di ko ani kanang mura bitaw buong amura bitaw og kanang porma sa buongon bitaw or
Marang?
Oh.
Dili ni marang.
Igsuon ra dapit murag parente ni sila. So this is not marang but it's like almost the same. Baligya bitaw ni tag kuan ang kilo ani tag 15 pesos masiro to ang kilo ani or buok. So itong mga niyo guys, if you want to kuan monitor this and put kuan what it kanang poston og sein ba. So maybe you can have more more kanang tawag og coconut fruit. So you wrap this you need to wrap the coconut what you call that. So i-wrap mo lang ito guys ng yero or ano ba yung rope. Limot si tawag ana eh. Basta imo lang ng poston og sen nindot na kayo na pagani there is a kanang ana kaimito. So star apple apple man. So actually this is really good property guys. There is a cacao. So na cacao guys, no? So we are maybe after my visiting, no, of this property. So I'm going to tell the owner how much really we are going to sell in this property. This one is also good for the animals like pigs, piggery, because si tawag ani Madre de Agua. So this is Madre de Agua guys. So Maganda to guys for investment and kuan. Kisa may naglimpyo-limpyo ani te.
Ha?
Kisa may naglimpyo-limpyo ani.
Kami.
Aw kamo. Tako man de po ninyong limpyuhan.
Ko di magabang gani ko. Sa semana ka isa lang.
Di inyo na lang ning isprihan.
Di man pud si Aison musugot og isprihan daw. Kay maka umaw da siyuta.
Dili man. Mamay pangbuhat ros mga farmer.
Oo bitaw.
Dili man.
Dinunta ni isprihan kay.
Nindot ba ang yuta oh? Kanang dako ba? Oh, mga ibon, langgam. Langgam, Bisaya sa amin, yung langgam guys is just only kuan pa. They are crawling. So ang Bisaya sa amin sa langgam again is crawling pa. Langgam, ants. But here, langgam sa Tagalog is lumilipad na. So ganun po oh. Oh, may linya malagi mo tubig. So if you want to live peacefully, avoid if you want to avoid people talking maritising, so this is the best property for you. But after our viewing, let's say the kuan, no? So unsa man ning kahuya nga murag na may mga kuan. Kini ba? Oh. Ha?
Ang tawag ni sa mo hagimik.
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 Unsa man ning hagimik te?
Murag ka pamilya gyapon sa tubong.
Mao ba? Nya para unsaon man siya?
Para langgam ra no.
Para langgam.
Langgam mahimok naman ako sa langgam.
Og ako'y tag-iya ani, ako ning kuralon og kanang kuan. Katong matoy ba? Kasi tawag ano pukot. Oh. Ay. Pila na barato ram ng pukot. Kitang katag sa una kasuway ko sa una nga yuta sa una nga kuan. Agi koral na kog pukot eh. Naman po sila og gasto og ginastuhay ninyo og suhol ani. Di mo pudlalin magsuhol inadlaw ron tagpila adlaw ninyo. Tagpila? 350. Oh. Imo. Kay ikaw may kapatas. Ikaw may chip. So there are kamote no. Ako madepod. Murag gihangat ko gamay. So there are kamote guys no, kamote. So potato. Other foreigners said it's potato. Potato. Tingan anang ko ana oy. Kalimot bang ko dapay jackfruit jackfruit siguro ni. Kanang mga lubi ha, apil pa na. Kanang babaw. Sus perting labunga gyud ani siguro sa kung wa pa gyud ni makuan.
Wa pa ni na kanang habasan.
Oh.
Ay kinakanan ni
Mura mo kung natunok eh. Di, namurag na inisol na kuan ba oh. Unsa man nagbatog na ta dito dapit ah. Okay. The caretaker is very kuan, strong and kicking. Kaliwat ning lapu-lapu kay nagdag sundang. So dire guys dito that is a little bit sloping no. downhill. Then here guys, kini mga gagmay nga lubi apil pa ni. So og mobatog ta dito unsa may makita na to. Oy, tabi. Sa kabukiran, layo ang kasakit. Ang kalanggaman ay nag-awit. So here guys, if you want to buy this property, I think you need workers. Then there's no problem because the caretaker are here, no? Napa siguro balay dito te? Wa kadung. Honestly guys, sudlunon jud ni. Prangka lang ta, pero its interior, frankly speaking, but not too far from Tagbilaran City. Hindi masyadong malayo sa Tagbilaran. Oh, paano mahuman niyo limpyo din, no? Pero pag limpyo niyo, makasukat og has dire. Hawa. Asam ni gikan triga pod.
Ito sa may kwan, sa Mindayan.
So nagbayad gyud siya?
Oo. Karon wa sa bill karon wala kay kanang wala ko gi-open kay wa man mi makanahanglan og tubig kasi di makuan.
Okay. Bitaw, pwede ra sa daig atong inon nga di lang mo gamit og tubig ron. Sa titawag aning kahuya ha, hindi man ni marang, hindi po ni kuan. Kalimot lang ko.
Bungabong ni
din. Di ni bungabong. Ay bunga bitaw ani. Nindot may lakabuok mo nagduha tulo. Kisa tong gusto way silingan dire mo kaya ron.
Ano magbay ano Ito balay ano
Bahay mo dire. So tama mga nindot balay dito oh. Aduol na. So there are so many trees, no, mostly mahogany trees. Oh, there is pineapple. Ay mga pinya po. So again, there is a water line connection. Electricity not a problem. There's always an electricity nearby. So mana siya guys. Pali na ta. Sige. Oh, apil pa kuno na dito guys, it's included. Oh. Tangina na ko gamay dito eh. Pabot ako diha. So still if you want to plant or build a house, so daghan diri nga mga prutas. There are so many fruit trees guys. Di may payag lagi. Dako ni yuta adi ay. Di apa mengenai plywood. Oh, man mo unsa? Sayang nga lang gasto.
Kay ang tubog dito sa Canada makaon daw.
So guys, that is the property, no? And this is the, actually this is the kanang temporary right of way while going to the property, no? Temporary rin siya guys, because this is the easiest way and clean. But if you have already your own, you stay already, so no problem na, okay na ka, develop na ka. Nya dili kay ko mahilig anang mga overpricing kay
Sila lagi kanang mga buker ka. Sila lagi ko porsyento ang
5% lagi kasagaran.
5% ka.
Pani mga silingan, no? This is the neighborhood guys, no? Our property is there, no? Approximately naras mga 100 meters di ay. Dool raman di ay nabaguhan ng kwadto. Damit akong balay dire. Guys, these are the neighborhood guys, no? You can see the neighborhood. So there's so many neighborhood guys, pero the one we are selling is like a secluded area. So see, many houses around nearby, no? Nearby. So this is the neighborhood guys. If you want to connect guys, internet, you can, because there is a internet connection. Okay, so here comes the neighborhood guys. So see, the property is there, no? So no problem with the water. There is a water line connection. Hindi ito ang daanan, no? They have their own right of way. Oh, malaki ang tubo guys, oh, for the water, no? Yan. May linya talaga sa water dyan, no? After this rock road, guys, it's only a very short rock road. Doon lang, oh, hanggang doon lang ang rock road, guys. In the meantime, ang sasakyan natin ano lang muna, iwan muna natin sa kalsada. Pero kung ma-develop mo na yung road, so maganda na po. Ito po yung mga neighborhood, guys, no? So according to the caretaker, this road will continue to the one place. Okay, again, thank you very much and God bless to all. Hangyo na sad ko. I will ask a favor, please subscribe and share our YouTube channel. Again, the property we are selling located here in Barangay Baang, Sitio Cabayo, Barangay Baang, Katigbian, Bohol. Bye.